Why did Redis release a feature store for ML when everything is now about agents?
The thing is, so much of the world is still powered by the good old ML models. Think recommendations, fraud, personalization, next best action. It's almost like everyone forgot, oh, by the way, like some of the most important models that we have are still running classical ML models, and those ML models need features.
And you founded Featureform. What was the pain point that really made you found this company?
So I was building mostly personalization use cases. We're at like over 100 million monthly active users. We were using like 2-tower recommenders. We read all the papers. Even with all of that, the main thing that mattered was just the features. In fact, one of the most incremental gains we had was just adding the user agent to the model as a feature so that you knew if someone was going to subscribe, if they had the newest iPhone or if they didn't. It was actually one of the most meaningful gains that we got.
That's such an interesting indicator.
And it's funny because like the feature engineering is really all that mattered, much more so than the model in many, many cases. And so the ability for us to iterate on that, it was just so hard to do because all the data was streaming. It was all had to be real time. There's all these like latency requirements. It was just so painful to take features from the notebook and get them to production. And so we built Featureform for ourselves. We found that a lot of people had this problem, and it was like kind of a perfect match because people were already using Redis for feature stores, and the acquisition allowed Redis to provide the full end-to-end solution and platform.
Check out the blog to learn more about Featureform.